Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday, May 9th, 2026 at 13:44, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow's outlook. So, the Day 2 outlook for tomorrow, we have an enhanced risk across portions of central Texas. We have a slight risk that encompasses central to northeastern Texas, southern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, western Mississippi, and northern Louisiana. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of central to southern New Mexico, going through much of Texas, southern Oklahoma, central Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, much of Mississippi, southern Alabama, parts of western to southern Alabama, parts of western to northern Florida, and southern Georgia. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what cities are under the risks. We have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the enhanced, San Antonio, Austin, Shreveport, Little Rock, and Jackson under the slight, and Houston, Jacksonville, Memphis, New Orleans, and Baton Rouge under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado threat that encompasses parts of central to northern Texas, southern Oklahoma, and parts of southwestern Arkansas and northwestern Louisiana. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the 2%, so we could see a brief EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% hatch encompassing central Texas. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses central Texas as well. We have a 15% normal that encompasses much of Texas, pretty much. Southern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, western Mississippi, and northern Louisiana. And we have a 5% that encompasses central to southern New Mexico, much of Texas, central Oklahoma, central Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, most of Mississippi, southern Louisiana, western to southern Alabama, western to northern Florida mainly, and southern Georgia. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, Arlington, and Plano under the significant severe. Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the 30%. San Antonio, Austin, Shreveport, Little Rock, and Jackson under the 15%. And Houston, Jacksonville, Memphis, New Orleans, and Baton Rouge under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 85-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow in any of the strong storms. 15% hatch, we could see up to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. 15% normal, we could see up to 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% hatch encompassing central Texas, 30% normal encompassing central Texas as well, 15% encompassing much of Texas, southern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and western Mississippi. And we have a 5% that encompasses, much of Texas, central to southern New Mexico, much of Texas, central Oklahoma, central Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, much of Mississippi, and western Alabama. So we do have, and southern Louisiana, as well under the 5%. So we have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the significant severe, as well as the 30%. Shreveport, Little Rock, Waco, Killeen, and Wichita Falls under the 15%. And San Antonio, Jacksonville, Austin, Memphis, and Laredo under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 3.5-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. For the 30% normal, we also could see 3.5-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 15%, we could see up to 3-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. And 5%, we could see 1 to 2-inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says large hail, some in excess of 2 inches in diameter, and severe outflow gusts, potentially in excess of 75 miles per hour, will be possible Sunday afternoon and evening across parts of central and north Texas. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today, or tomorrow, excuse me. Even if you may be in a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will be back tomorrow morning to go over this outlook again when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.